So we have a lot of bugs, leaves, and all sorts of things on this pool. Today we're gonna bring a skimmer. This is an outdoor skimmer that comes with actually a solar panel on the top. Now this skimmer comes with a couple of extras that you should know about it. First of all, there is an app that we're gonna show you how to set it up from the app directly to the actual phone. It's compatible with Droid or Apple. Now, this thing is going to run for about 45 minutes to 2 hours depending on the usage, because there's two modes in here. There's two speeds. There's a slow speed and a fast speed. Depending on the region you live in, if you're not getting enough sun, there's another way you can actually charge it. We actually have it through a charging station, a DC connection directly to the system. To clean this up is very simple. There's a little latch in here. You open it up. This thing automatically doesn't come up. You got to manually push it up. But once you have it holding up, there's a tray that you have to take out. This tray has a see-through plastic cover that you're going to be able to see any kind of debris or bugs that you collect in here. Now, another thing is that once you open it up and you take it out, there's a little latch here that you have to take it out. Now, to clean it up is very simple. All you got to do is empty the unit out with all the debris and the trash and the bugs that you get, and then clean it out. It does have a mesh in here as a protective filter, so the water could run through simple, right? Now, remember, this is the actual propeller that's going to bring in all the debris. Now, to set back up the unit, you need to close it. Make sure that this unit is locked, because it doesn't lock properly. You got to push it down. You got to make sure that the gears are in the right section. There's actually an indentation where the actual gears actually go embedded. So let's put them back together, right? This is the part that you need to be aware. You need to plug it in here if you're gonna charge it manually. You got your light indicating that where it's charging or it's fully charged or it's gonna change color. Now, there is another little indication, little tiny little dot that's gonna tell you a Wi-Fi connection. And here's the power cord. Now, when you put it in the water, make sure that the silicone cover covers up the actual power source. There are two propellers that are going to propel this whole system. So we just got the app. We're going to install this unit. So what we want to do is disconnect it. All right, you're going to need to disconnect it. Power it on. Power it on one. We're going to add device as soon as the light comes on. If you see it blinking right now, and hit add. And you're going to see it coming on, and it's going to ask you what kind of device do we have right now. We do have a skimmer, so we're going to look for a skimmer. Here it is, add skimmer. We're going to add that one. Now it's going to look for a Bluetooth connection, all right? And pair it. Next. And that's pretty much it. We're going to set it up into our wireless. So once you set up your Wi-Fi, it's going to start adding the device and any updates that it's going to require also too. Network successful, so we got it set up. Now it's going to give you details. When you go into details, you have access to continue to actually monitor the system. You could remote manually, and also you could do the speeds, all right? There's a little turtle, if you guys can see, a little turtle, a little rabbit, so it could go faster. Right now we're at 50% charge. We're going to plug it in so we could charge again. It's on standby right now. So we got it to about 60% right now. We're going to throw in the water. And the way you do it, all you got to do is power it on, all right? Indication light comes on. All right, we just activated right now. We're going to let this do a stain and move around the whole actual pool. It's going to identify the actual pool. We're going to bring the app so you guys can see on the app. Like I said, we could always come into the application. So we're going to hit the controllers, manual controllers. If you guys can see that, look at that. I'm going to bring it to me right now. So let's go ahead and bring it here. Then if you ever want to go control it, you can always hit the play button and it's automatically going to roll too. If you wanted to park, you can always hit that button and it'll park on a certain side. This is to park it on the side of the pool when you want to grab it. Controllers. With the program, you could tell it to park. Like I said, tell it to park. It comes into a corner, you grab it, and then we're gonna go ahead and take everything out. All you gotta do is take out the basket, all right? And you can see it clearly for a couple minutes that we ran it. Look at this. And the water looks super clear, but if you guys can see that, it is actually filthy. So now, hair, bugs, and other things. So Let's go ahead and clean it up. So like I said, water hose or any device that you have to actually add the water, what I want to do is flip it over, and we're going to add water in here. Look at that. Getting rid of all the debris. A little bit more on this side. Clean it up. And that should do it. Then we're going to set this back up again and start it another couple hours.